Hi, my name is Sudeep, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find the email address of people from LinkedIn using a tool called Scrap.io. So let's start. Scrap.io is an out-of-the-box tool that helps you find verified B2B email address of people that matters for your business, whether it's through LinkedIn, company's website, or using its in-app feature. It will help you build the email list for your next outreach campaign. In order to use this tool, we need to install Scrap.io extension for Chrome. For demonstration purpose, I'm going to use Scrap.io tool in order to extract email addresses of the CEOs of a pharmaceutical company. I have used filters available in LinkedIn in order to find the list of CEOs, and now I will click on this button which says Email Finder, after which we need to name the file where we want to save these email addresses. I'm going to name this file as CEO-pharma for better understanding. And click on Launch Email Finder. And as you can see, it found 5 leads in which 3 emails were found. In order to see those details, we have to click on this something called Web Dashboard. This is how the dashboard for Scrap.io looks like. Over here, you can see the name, their titles, the company, email addresses, and if their email addresses is verified or not. You can download these details in the form of Excel or CSV. Thank you.